apply Chic Bond Lace Wig Bond 1/4 from the hairline. Carefully apply lace front wig, ensuring both sides are properly secured. Do not apply Chic Bond to the hair, as this will cause breakage. Chic Bond is not to be used to secure stocking caps. You are now ready to take your style to the next level with Chic Bond. To safely remove the lace front wig, soak a cotton swab in the Chic Bond Lace Wig Conditioning Remover. Apply it to the unit until it loosens up and attaches from the head effortlessly. Do not force the wig unit from the hairline, as this will cause breakage. Now safely remove lace front wig.